It was seemingly all quiet today at the Villages of Orleans Health and Rehabilitation Center at Albion, with the facility and its owners now the focus of the state attorney general and her army of attorneys, with dramatic allegations in a lawsuit which seeks removal of the nursing home's owners and managers and to recover $18 million in what the AG says were misused funds.
Residents were neglected and repeatedly subjected to inhumane treatment. Some died. They were forced to live under horrific conditions at facilities that received millions of public dollars. The owners and operators of the villages orchestrated an elaborate Medicaid fraud scheme, pocketing more than $18.6 million from the villages since 2015, and more than $18 million that should have been used to reinvest into the villages for residents and for their care and for their safety.
The Attorney General says shell companies were part of the alleged scheme in which staffing was cut way back even as funds were siphoned off. Our call to the villages for a response was not returned, and a video of owner Bernard Fuchs, primarily named in the lawsuit among other family members and associates, was quickly pulled down this afternoon from his other nursing home properties websites. James, who previously ripped the state's policies on the pandemic and nursing home guidance, also faulted the villages' COVID procedures.
The villages was so short-staffed that employees were caring for residents who were both positive and negative for COVID-19 without following any protocols.
The Villages complex was the subject of complaints and concerns as seen in some of these pictures of residents, and its health care rating dropped from 3 down to 1 star after it was sold by Orleans County to the new owners in 2014. Attorney General James says this case is civil instead of criminal, as she is really seeking a quick resolution with a court-appointed receiver and monitors to improve conditions there. She also said other agencies are investigating with federal funds involved. And it's interesting that the state health department, which with the feds previously fined the villages on COVID violations and were part of this investigation, still gave the villages a $300,000 state grant to help expand that nursing home in the fall of 2021. They won't comment on this investigation today, only saying that that grant was a competitive bid grant. Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.